Hi everyone, thanks for join us. Today gonna talk about Power Automates and PPM. Every time that you create a custom fields here in PPM environment, we have a lot of informations here that we can use to send some informations via Power Automates. For example, percent planet or performant or business unit or the sponsor of this project, and I want to use these informations to send via Power Automates. So the idea here today is send new notifications to the project sponsor every time that we have new informations in our projects. For example, every time that we update the percent complete or the costs or something like that. So let's do it. Let's create a Power Automates here, automated clouded flow. Let's create key the name, send project sponsor updates. Let's use the project triggers. Here we have all the project triggers, and we're gonna use this new one version, the V2 informations. Microsoft gave us a new feature. What's the difference in this new feature? Here we have the options to put the URL of the PPM, and here we have the options to create a OData query. So let's get some informations that I want: project name, performance, project status, sponsors, some custom fields, and let's use here. Okay. The second actions, we're gonna search the informations about the sponsor email, because here in PPM we don't have people pickers fields, we just have text fields. So if I inform just the name of the user, I don't have the email of this user. So I need to search this information in Office 365. In Power Automates, we have this action, search for users, right? And let's send the information about the sponsor custom fields. How we get this? You use expressions and use trigger outputs, and then we inform the name of the field that we want to use inside the body of the trigger. We're gonna use sponsor, right? Here we use the field sponsor, oh sorry, and here we have this information. Okay. After we get the email, we can send this email. So let's use the action send email of the Outlook. Here we inform the address, email address it gave us, right? After we run this action, the result give us the email of the user. And let's create a subject, new project updates. Let's inform in the subject the name of the project name. Voila. And let's create the body message. Hi, sponsor, display name, your project. Let's use again the project name. Have new updates. And let's inform the new updates. Let's inform, for example, project percent complete, project percent planned, project cost, and project actual costs. So every time that we update our project, the sponsor will receive via email this information. Okay, let's create project percent complete. We have here project percent completed. Percent planned, it's a custom field, so we need to use expression again and use triggers, outputs, and body slash performed. Okay. Project cost, the same, trigger, outputs, body, product cost. Okay, and the last one, expression, trigger, outputs, body, project, actual cost. Okay, let's save this project and let's test. So let's go in our project here. We have all these informations. Let me update some informations here. For example, let's update this task, save, and let's get some cost information. Let's get this, for example, I already have here. So after I update, let's publish it. When the process finish here, the flow starts here. It runs successfully. So here you can see I insert the information of the sponsor name. The actions gave me the email of the user. And in the next action, we send the email to the sponsor with all informations that we needed. Okay, so after a few minutes, the sponsor will receive email with all new updates. Okay, thank you everyone. See you.